friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ahana. Today we are gonna make soap. I'm so excited. My mother will help me. This is also should be done in adult supervision because we need to use fire in it to make the soap. Go in the kitchen because we need to work on the gas stove. So we need soap shavings. A mold, one more mold my mother gave me, beaker, like food colorings, a lot of fragrance of your choice, droppers, and some glitter you want. I took which colors I wanted. Mama, let's get started.
So hi guys, today we're gonna make a soap for Ahana
Yes.
with her choice of fragrance and her choice of color. So let's get started.
So till that
So
I
first,
need my-
and yes, again, this has to be done again with your parents or adult supervision.
till that which color I want I can.
Right. So I'm gonna help her with getting these shavings melted so that we can pour it and change the color and do whatever she feels like. So I'll just get started with it. So we're putting the soap in a pan and we're just gonna melt it. See, it's already started melting. Okay. Ahana is making a color till then, whichever she wants.
Yes. This is how my color looks like. Little navy blue. And now let's mix it. I hope the color comes which I want. Oh, it came so nice. See?
Wow, you want blue color?
Yes.
Just to let you know guys, Elsa, Frozen actress, is Ahana's favorite. So she loves the blue color. So see, it's already melted.
So now I'm gonna put the glitter. It looks so nice. So I'll just put it.
Right.
Now let me just mix. Oh no!
So
My
guys,
glitter fell.
oh, no worries, leave that, that's okay. Into the glass bowl so that we can mix the glitter and all the color and everything that Ahana wants.
Wow!
Like this, very good. Very nice.
I'm putting more.
That's it, Ahana. I think so. It's going to be too blue otherwise.
I want it.
So we're just pouring it in the mold.